What's going on, y'all? Good morning. I hope y'all having a great morning, a great day, and a great weekend. So basically in this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to make a video for beginners. How to make a YouTube video for beginners. First, I will go down the list and probably say, come up with a topic or idea of what your content, what type of content you wanna make. So, ways I do it, and other ways that, other creators might do it. They might look up maybe like a trending title and see if that's something you want to talk about. Find out, and also find out what you want, what type of video, what type of content you want to make on your video. Because it'll make it a whole lot easier for you to consistently make content for that video. But once you've done that, find a title that you want to talk about, and also look up personally for me, not everybody might not do it. I use apps to help come up with thumbnails and titles for my videos. So you can also use that as well, because then it'll give you a better chance at coming up with the actual title ideas. Also, even thumbnails. After that, write down what you want to talk about specifically on the video, the content that you're making.
Will you spell my name with
So yeah, that's what I was talking about. Start with what you're gonna be talking about, the title of your content.
I have some bags to stand for you.
I mean, it's like a 1, 2, 3 on the place of putting the video together. The YouTube content video together. It's not as hard as you think it is. It's gonna be as hard as you make it is. So, one, title. Find what you want to talk about. First of all, come up with the idea of what you want to talk about on your content. The title. Find a good title. You can use the apps as well. vidIQ, YouTube Studio. Those are 2 apps that I use. Your thumbnail. Those apps will help you with the thumbnail as well. And then write down what you want to talk about in your content, so then it'll make it a lot easier. That's something that I really want to start doing, is writing down more of what I want to talk about, so it'll be a whole lot easier for when I'm actually talking about and going over the content that I'm recording. Personally, I just come really just off the head with what I know, or that works, that can help with making video content. So it's all at the end of the day, it's all prioritized, and how you're doing it. Like I said, from 1 to 4, that's how I do it. It helps with me. Also, if y'all haven't like, share, subscribed as well, if you like the content, and go check out my other videos. There's a lot more helpful content on my videos too as well. Basically just went over the basics right there. For a beginner, start recording. That's gonna be the very first thing that you just have to get used to, is start recording. Because the more that you record, the more comfortable you'll be in front of the camera or the phone, however you're recording. Personally, I'm using an iPhone to record my content, so it's however you want to do it, or however you plan on starting, or however you know what I mean. Eventually, I wanted to get a camera to start recording on there, so then, I got either my phone or my camera I can use for my content. So it's just however you're able to do it. For me, the phone works just as well. So write a list down of exactly what I was saying. First write down what do you want to talk about on your content, because more than likely you're going to want to be consistent with what your content is going to be about. So writing it down is going to make it a whole lot easier, or put in a notepad app on the phone or whatever. Write down what you talk about, your titles, your thumbnails, and start practicing like recording in front of the camera or phone. That's going to be probably the biggest part of it. That's going to be able to help. That is going to be a big part of it. You just be in front of the camera. I know a lot of people is camera shy, so it's not as easy for them to be in front of the camera. Give me that. Stop biting on that. So some people it'll take more practice to be in front of the camera than others. So be careful there. So it's just consistency and practice and being in front of the camera. That's gonna help. Help a lot. Help the most. Cause that's basically how I started. I was kind of like, when I had the recording my content, I was, I had to like ease into it. I didn't really just go straight into it because I wasn't used to being in front of the actual, camera. I realized certain things that I do, like if I look off like this or something, I'm actually just thinking what I'm trying to say or what I'm talking about. So it happens. Everybody's different when they're recording content. Being consistent, that's one of the strongest keys that I talk about in creating content. And when you're gonna start, that's very important, because YouTube sees that you're being consistent with your videos. It's more likely to push out your content, and being able to constantly do that will help also making it easier for you to do that by doing the steps that I was talking about. It's gonna make it a whole lot easier to put your content out there. So just even if you, I know everybody may not be as consistent or may have stuff going on and stuff like that. That's okay. Just push towards being consistent. It'll help your video out a whole lot more. It'll make it a whole lot easier too. That's my baby boy. He woke up not too long ago, kind of not feeling good, but kind of grumpy. He's kind of grumpy in the morning, but staying consistent, being consistent with the content is gonna help. Like I was saying, and also, if there's any questions anybody has, or any topics anybody wants me to talk about, just put in the messages, and I'll get to it. But like I said, consistency is gonna be the key. Be in front of the camera, practicing. You don't have to record it. You can record it, but practicing being in front of the camera will help in the long run to be more comfortable while recording and be able to do that consistently. You'll be good. But I hope you have a great day, blessed weekend. See y'all in the next one. Peace.